Hello friends, now we are going to solve an example based on shear reinforcement, design of shear reinforcement. In previous video, we had studied a theory and the steps for design of shear reinforcement. So here we have a data, a singly RC beam 230 mm by 460 mm effective is reinforced with 5 numbers 16 mm dia bars as a tension reinforcement. The beam is subjected to a factored shear force of 60 kN. Design shear reinforcement, use M20 and Fe415. See, in shear reinforcement question, the main tension reinforcement are to be given. What not to be given in your question? See, the shear force 60 kN is given to you or not to be given. If it is not given, then you have to calculate it. How you can calculate? Instead of this load directly, you have given a beam size, span of beam with load on that beam. You have to calculate the load, and based on that load you have to calculate the shear force, and that calculation you had already studied in design of your beam, singly and doubly beam. Okay, so we here data given, that is B is equals to 230 mm, B is equals to 230 mm, D is equals to 460 mm. FCK is given 20 Newton per mm square, and Fy is equals to 415 Newton per mm square. Here you have given area of steel, means your reinforced the beam is reinforced with 5 numbers 16 dia bars. So area of tension reinforcement is 5 numbers 5 by 4 16 square, so that is 1005.3 mm square. What also to be given, that is your shear force, factored shear force, that is Vu is equals to 60 kilonewton, that is given to you. Now what you have to do, if you go through your video, then I told you, then first you have to calculate two conditions, tau v greater than or tau c, or tau v less than or tau c. That you have to check. If tau v is less than tau c, then you have to provide minimum shear reinforcement, and tau v is greater than tau c, then design shear reinforcement. Okay, so first we have to calculate tau v. How you can calculate tau v? So tau v equals to Vu divided by Bd. Okay, Vu divided by Bd. So what is Vu? That is given 60 kilonewton, 60 into 10 raised to 3. Area is given 230 into 460. So that answer is 0.567 Newton per mm square. That is value of tau v. Okay, now you have to calculate tau c. How you can calculate tau c? So to find tau c, in a previous video of shear reinforcement theory part, I had discussed that first you have to find percentage of steel, and based on percentage of steel and your grade of concrete, on page number 73 of IS 456 table number 19 is given. From that you can easily calculate tau c value. Okay, so first we have to find out percentage of steel, so that is 100 AST by BD. In some of the data, percentage of steel may be directly given to you. Okay, if it is not given, then you have to calculate. So 100 into area of steel is 1005.3 divided by 230 into 460. So it is 0.95%. tau c is equals to what? C. So percentage of steel is this, FCK is 20. So from table 19, page number 73, IS 456, 2000. Tau c we are getting 0.61 Newton per mm square. So this is tau v and this is tau c. So here what happens? Tau v is less or equal to tau c. Okay, so what we have to do? So provide minimum shear reinforcement. Provide minimum shear reinforcement. So this is all about your tau v and tau c. So shear reinforcement is not to be designed based on your reinforcement. See, now what we have to do? See, in your minimum shear reinforcement design, here we have to assume the stirrups. Okay, so which types of stirrups you are going to provide it, whether it is a 2-legged, 4-legged or 6-legged, and what is the diameter of that stirrups, that you have to assume initially. See, minimum 6 mm diameter can be used. So I will write consider. So let us take or consider 6 mm dia mild steel with 2-legged vertical stirrups like this. So I have assumed 6 mm dia with 2-legged. So area of that 6 mm dia and 2-legged stirrups, that is 2 into 2-legged means like this. This 1 and 2-legged, and this diameter of this bar is 6 mm. Okay, so 2 into pi by 4 d square. So that is 56.55 mm square, like this. See, this generally this 6 mm dia, you can say it's a mild steel. So for a mild steel, because it is a diameter is very less, so that steel is available in mild. So mild steel, so for mild steel Fi is 250 Newton per mm square. If you take 415 instead of this, then it is also not a problem. Okay, so ASV is pi by 4 d square 2. So now SV, yesterday I told you that in my previous video that design of shear reinforcement, it means you have to, in a calculation you have to give a spacing to the your vertical stirrups. See, in last you have to give spacing. So, and this diameter you have to assume. So SV is equals to 0.87 Fy into ASV divided by 0.4b. This equation is given in IS 456 page number 48. So this is 0.87 into 250 into 56.55 divided by 0.4 into 230. Okay, so this calculation may be 133.69 meters. So that is 130 mm. Let us take it is a 130 mm. So this is nothing but mm. So let us take instead of 130 mm. So provide spacing between these two reinforcement is 130 mm. So now what we have to do? We have to do a check. See, 3 conditions are there. For what? For checking. Check for maximum spacing. Check for maximum spacing. 3 conditions are there. First is your 0.75 D. See, this is given in page number 47 and 48. So this is 0.75D. So 0.75 into D is 460. So that value is 345 mm. Second is 300 mm. And third one is this equation only. Provide minimum shear reinforcement. This equation is this value. So that we are getting is 130 mm. And provide smaller of these three values. So that value is nothing but a 130 mm. So we can write that final answer that therefore provide 6 mm dia, two-legged mild steel vertical stirrups at 130 mm center to center, like this. If I draw a figure over for this, so this is your beam with size 230 mm by 460 mm. The area of steel inside, that is 5 numbers, like this. Okay, so this is your main steel. Okay, so this value, so this reinforcement is nothing but your 6 mm dia vertical stirrups. Okay, two-legged. These all are your main area of steel, which is 5 numbers and 16 mm dia. Okay, and how you draw spacing? So like this. This is your reinforcement. Okay, this is your effective depth 460 mm. So these are your reinforcement. If this is your reinforcement, these are your 6 mm dia two-legged vertical stirrups. This, all this orange color, and the spacing between this is 130 mm, and that value is your SV value. So these reinforcement are your 5 number 16 dia main steel, and this your all this vertical line is 6 mm 6 dia and 130 mm center to center distance. Okay, and that is your two-legged. Okay, so this is all about your first question of your shear reinforcement design, in which we had solved a numerical with condition tau v is less than tau c, so that we have to provide minimum shear reinforcement. Now in next video we will solve a numerical in which we have a condition that is tau v is greater than tau c, so that we have to design shear reinforcement. Thank you.